you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribing. You know the deal. Become part of the Honeybud fam. So today I'm doing something actually very exciting. It's a Monday. I've had one hell of a start to the week, so I just figured today would be a perfect time to sit down and talk to you guys just to kind of release some stress, but also because I got in the mail 2 brand new wildflower cases and I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys and show you. So I did get the flower power case and the new peace case. I don't really remember what the name for it is, but I'll put them right here and show you guys what they look like before I open it. So I do already have 2 wildflower cases, and both of them I got for my 12 Pro Max. This is just the Pink Flames one, and I will just pop over a quick close-up while I'm talking, but this is just the Pink Flames and I really like it. This was the first case I had on my iPhone, so if you guys have not seen my what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max video, I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description and you guys can watch that after this. But yeah, that was the first case I ever had on my new phone. And then I also have the Heavenly Hearts one, which I think is one of the prettiest designs that they've ever come out with. To be honest, I really just like the 2000s vibes it gives off, and is definitely one of my favorites. So now for the fun part, I'm gonna go ahead and get out my package and open up my new wildflower cases. Okay, wildflower always comes with your like packing order in there, and they also always include really cute stickers. So since I did get 2 cases, they sent me 4 of them. The first 2 I have are these 2 designs right here. They're really freaking cute. It's like a little palm tree and then pink lightning. And then the second 2 stickers I got the little devil case design, and then also the, what is this called? Plaid yellow clueless vibes. That's super fun. I've been making a little wildflower water bottle sticker thing, and I'm definitely gonna add those to my collection. The first case I ordered was their brand new Peace one, and I'm so excited for this one because it's just very nostalgic. I don't know what it is about this case. I actually was waiting for like 30 minutes on the website to refresh to buy this because there was so much traffic on the website, I'm assuming, and on the app. I definitely was hopping on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys, and then I also will show you a mirror zoom in on what the actual case looks like on. So here she is, so freaking pretty. I love it. I don't think I realized how pink the background is, and I'm very glad that it is pink because I think it looks so freaking good. It honestly just gives me, again, just very nostalgic vibes. We have some peace signs, some sunflowers, yin and yang vibes, butterflies. Very freaking cute. I love this case so much already. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on. Okay, here is the Peace one on my phone. It lit. Guys, this looks so cute with the pink nail. Stop it right now. So freaking cute. I honestly am loving the color right now. It just looks really good, and I wanted to show it to you guys on my phone so you are able to see what the background looks like, especially because wildflower is so iconic for just like mirror pictures. This will look so good. The next one I got was the flower power. As I said before, I have like really been waiting to get this case, and then I was just kind of waiting for another one to come out so I can get 2. And I do use Afterpay when I check out with wildflower, just so I'm not paying like $75 every single time I order a case. Here she is in the packaging, and I really just love the way the wildflower case is just kind of open up like this. Here she is again. So cute. Again, with this one, I don't think I realized how vibrant the colors were on this. Like every time I see it on the website or on their Instagram, I always think it's like just kind of more of like a faded color, but the colors are so freaking bright, and I cannot wait to use this in the springtime. So when you take it out, it looks like this. I'm just so excited to put this on and show you guys what it looks like on my phone. We just have some bigger and smaller flowers, and I think honestly my favorite part is like the swivel of the patterned color in the back. That just looks so freaking cute. And again, I've never seen like a phone case with a design like this, because sometimes Wildflower has companies that will like copy the very similar designs that they have, but honestly I've never seen one like this. It looks so freaking good. I love it. And then here we are with the flower power case. I think this one looks just as good. It is just so like in your face, and I'm really liking that vibe. Just very boom boom. I'm flower power case. So freaking good. And again, I really just love the colors on this one. So bright, really dramatic. I'm really here for it. I think this will be the one that I wear probably for the rest of the week. I'm a very avid phone case changer, so if you guys agree and like you do that too, let me know. I literally change my cases like every other day. But this just looks so good. I'm so excited. And those are the only two Wildflowers that I bought this time. But again, definitely subscribe to stick around. I really am just obsessed with phone cases in general. And so I'm always looking out for new cases, whether that's in store or online. And I just love Wildflower so much. I've loved them since way back in the day when they had like the cross, like the studded cross phone. This is in like middle school. I used to be obsessed with those. I just really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Next time I order more Wildflower cases or just cases in general, I will definitely film a little unboxing. But again, I'm just gonna remind you, make sure you are subscribing and having the notification bell on, because I love to post some vlogs. I'm really getting into the daily vlog grind just so I can kind of show you guys who I am a little bit more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Honey babies, I just wanted to intervene here and let you guys know I am so freaking sorry for my low AF energy in this video. I promise I'm not always low. I just had a really bad day. So I hope that you just see me filming in this video is like kind of what I'm using for my outlet. Again, I'm not always freaking like that. I clearly did not have the rest of my coffee for the day because I'm editing and I'm just like, just wanted to let you guys know, don't worry about it. Make sure you subscribe. Go watch the rest of my videos.